Big day in Connecticut with reopening for phase one. I am joined by Jeff Flaks. He's the president and CEO of Hartford HealthCare. Welcome. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you, Kara.
As the state reopens, I know there are so many questions, but in your purview, have we really flattened the curve, and how safe are hospitals?
Well, first, I'm so pleased. We absolutely have flattened the curve. We're seeing it at a few different levels. First, hospitalizations for us are down 55% from the high point. So we've seen a really significant reduction in hospitalizations, thankfully. And at the same point in time, we do such massive testing now. I mean, our health system alone has 9 fixed testing sites across Connecticut, a statewide network, and we have a mobile system that we also operate every day in different locations and different communities. So we're able to see both an incidence rate and a prevalence rate within what's occurring through our testing centers. And then on the hospitalization side, we monitor it very closely across the state. So the numbers are falling, and we're very encouraged to see that.
And I know a few days ago they were saying we don't want the worried well to get tested, but do you foresee soon with testing it will be everyone asymptomatic? Will that happen soon?
It is happening. So we're doing a significant amount of testing. First of all, we're partnering with different companies who are looking to return to work, and we're putting testing procedures in place and doing testing for businesses. We're doing through our mobile testing. We're testing churches, nursing homes, homeless shelters, community centers. And in those situations, we're testing the entire population or the entire community. And then through our standard testing sites today, we've really eliminated the process of any type of barriers to testing. So people can call our phone number, the 860-972-8100. And even if they don't have a physician, we have a mechanism to get an order for them to get a test. So it's happening. I think it's a very good thing. It gives us important data, and it gives people, I think, an important peace of mind.
And I know mental health has been a big concern. You made a big announcement this morning. Tell us about how Hartford HealthCare is responding.
I'm so thrilled to make this announcement and what we're doing. Behavioral health is a significant issue. You know, there's people within our region, Kara, who have been quarantined in their home for months. People who have fought this disease at home, people who've been hospitalized, people whose family have experienced death and haven't been able to grieve and weren't able to be bedside with them in some circumstances. There's people who've become unemployed. There's bankruptcies that have occurred, businesses that have been impacted. There's so many different reasons why behavioral health becomes really critical during a crisis and into recovery. So we have stood up a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week behavioral health phone line. You call that 860-972-8100 phone number, and we will connect you with a behavioral health professional real time, free of charge, to give people access to behavioral health services whenever that moment is and whenever it matters most for somebody, when they feel the need to access help or they need to talk or they feel they're concerned or at risk. Call us and we're going to help them. So I'm just so thrilled. This is going to be an important thing for a long time and within our community.
Thank you. Absolutely. 24 hours a day and free. Two great things. Jeff Flaks, thanks so much for being with us.
Thank you, Kara.